Good morning, just another day at Sunbelt Roofs here in sunny Southeast Louisiana, actually Slidell, Louisiana. We're right here kind of in the marsh and the water on a beautiful property that we're getting ready to do, but we're actually doing the guest house and just wanted to point out a couple of things. So if you're having your roofer do your roof, a lot of them like to leave the existing felt or tar paper, but we always tear it off so we can do a full deck inspection and identify areas like this where you get small leaks that can cause big problems and intrude into your space and wreck sheetrock. And this one's actually just rotted right through. So we strip down to the deck, inspect it, change all the bad wood, and do everything we can to make sure that doesn't happen again. Get him set up for the next 20 years. So check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, sunbeltroof.com.